So today we're going to be making instant ice. What we need today are some water bottles that have been cooled in the freezer for quite a while until they are not quite frozen, but just about there, and some ice cubes and a couple different containers. So the first one would be a completely filled water bottle that's put in the freezer. It's put in the freezer for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and it's cooled until just before freezing. Then what should happen is that when you flick it, it completely freezes over. Unfortunately, in my 2 hours and 45 minutes, mine actually became a little frozen, so that's why it's not showing the reaction when I flick it. The next experiment, if I can get it into camera, is taking ice and pouring your super chilled water on top of it. And what you expect to see is that when the water hits it, that it freezes. And of course, that one's not working for us either. Which I don't quite understand because the water is actually super cold. Let's see if I can get more in there and see if that makes a difference. It's super cold because it's actually partially frozen. And even the more I pour, it doesn't do, the reaction doesn't occur. So one of the other reactions that we're supposed to test is pouring our super chilled water into another container and then dropping an ice cube in it and watching it freeze. So drop ice cube in, and again, the reaction's not working. So for my reaction, none of the 3 ways that we were supposed to test worked. I know in the video that it said to use unopened purified water bottles. I did not have unopened purified water bottles. I had water bottles left over from other experiments and I just filled those up and freeze them. So I'm not sure if it may have something to do with what is in the water that's causing that to happen, or maybe it's the fact that they got frozen hard and that's affecting the way the crystals would form. But thank you for watching.